BAM! What's up, everyone? I'm back with a brand new video, but it feels gonna be different. Why? I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. I've practiced, which is why I haven't been doing a video. Well, that's not the reason why I haven't been doing a video. I don't know why I haven't been doing a video, but I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube. Here I go. Okay, so everyone, I've been asking people to, like, how do I do it, like if they can teach me. They always just said take off the stickers, but that's not really how to solve a Rubik's Cube. You can't just take off the stickers, because then that will mess up the Rubik's Cube. By taking off the stickers constantly, that kind of like messes it up. This was a very hard process to do. Learning the algorithms, and it's pretty fun learning the algorithms. It's not very hard to learn them. I didn't get it at my first try. Obviously, it took me a while. I didn't solve it, my first try doing it, but, it's still, now I can solve it like a boss. Not fast like logic. I'm trying to get there. Hopefully when I get to logic's level, I can hopefully have a Rubik's Cube battle with him. Okay. Okay, cool. No, wait. I'm stuck. Oh, yeah. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, here we go. Boom, boom. Boom. Ah, it's stuck. And boom. Got it. Bam! I just solved a Rubik's Cube. I have to say, like, this was fun. Once you get it, like, it'll be fun. Like, most people, when they solve it, they just quit, but not me. I didn't quit. So, yeah. Bam! That's all I wanted. This is pretty much the whole video today. But before anything happens, be sure to click the notification thing, that little bell. That way it'll inform you when when I have another video uploaded. Be sure to subscribe and all this other stuff. Peace. I'll be back with another video hopefully soon. I'm out. Bam, I'm Kyle and you're not.